Hello guys, and welcome to another jQuery video tutorial. And in this video I'm going to show you how we can grab CSS properties, okay, and apply them through jQuery, okay, without going directly changing properties in your CSS file, okay. So to do that, I'm going to show you a little example. So in the body, I want you guys to create, let's say, a paragraph. This is my first P, and close it P, and let's create another one. This is my second P. Let's create a third one as well. This is my third P. Okay, now down here we can create an input type equals a button, and in here let's type ID equals to click and value of click. Okay, so let's save this. I saved it as test.html. Now in here let's type the selector, and then I want to grab the selector, so I want to grab the button, so whenever we click the button I can change these paragraphs, okay, to whatever CSS I want. So input type button, the ID is click, so let's type here hash click dot click, and now we type function and curly braces, and in here I'm gonna type whenever I click, grab the piece. So P, we don't need a hash because we don't have an ID. We only have the tag name, which is P, okay? So I'm gonna grab all the P's that we have. So P dot CSS, and now you can type whatever property of CSS you want for it inside here, okay? And I'm gonna create a background or font. Let me say font size, and we don't need the colon. Font size, and then comma, and again we type single quotes or double quotes, sorry, and then we can type 10 pixels, let's say. Okay, so let's save this and let's see if that works. Hopefully it works. So let's open this in Chrome. Okay, so here it is, and when I click it, it changes to a font, all the P's to 10. So let's put a 20 pixel size. Let's refresh this. If I click, perfect. You see? Let's do it again. It changes all the different P's. Okay. So what about if I want for each different piece to change it when we click for example a P, only change that P, okay? So basically we will not need this input button, okay? But I'm gonna leave that button there for now. So whenever we click a P over it, okay, like this, that P will change, okay, to whatever CSS. So I'm gonna change this to font, I think it's color, not sure. red. Font color red. Let's see if that is. No, it's not font color. Okay, it's just color. Okay, you don't need to put the font. So I already did that. Let's click it, and it turns all the P's to red. Okay, so you can see it's it's a very powerful thing that you can do with this syntax here. You can grab every CSS property you want and put that property to whatever tag you want in your web page. Okay, so for example, I was showing you. I was talking about what if I click in a different link or a different P in this case, and only change to this color red whenever we click it. So to do that, it's pretty simple. We're gonna use this for the first time, which is this. Okay, you type this inside your selector, and what this means is that whenever and in here also we have to change this to P. Okay, so what it means is whenever we click this unique P, okay, so this stands for a unique P among many P's. Okay, so when we click this unique P, color will change to red. Let's see if that works. Refresh. So whenever I click here, you see, perfect. Very cool. Very cool feature and effect. Okay, that you can use. You can change this. Let's change this to blue. Refresh, and there it is. Okay, perfect. So you can try a lot of different effects, or sorry, a lot of different CSS properties with this. All the CSS properties that you have in your CS file, you can do. You can put them in here in your jQuery script or jQuery code. Okay, so another thing I'm going to show you is another function, which is the append function. Okay, which is also very useful. So we will not need to change anything in here. What we will do here is change this to the button click. Whenever we click the button, we will append something in P. So let's type here P or P, and let's take out the CSS. So P append, and let's refresh, and here we can type this. Okay, I think this will work. Let's try this. Refresh. Oh my god. What a cool feature. What the hell is this? Okay. We've messed up the code here. So append, let's call this, let's put here hello. Save this, and let's try now the code. Refresh and click, and you see that whenever I click, it's appending something, hello, 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 to every paragraph. Okay, so I want to try a different thing. Let's take the paragraphs out, only leave one paragraph, and in here let's leave this append here. And now what I want to do is to append some more P's like this one here. So this is very simple. We just type a variable data equals to value, sorry, to the p dot val, and here we type data. Okay, let's save this. Let's see if this works. Refresh. So whenever we click, nothing happens. So let me try another thing, which is create here a div id equals I div. Perfect. And we can type here style equals display none, and save this, and put a line break there, and data is equal to pval, and here let's type the ID is I. Okay, and you can type here plus and a line break here as well. So let's see the result of this. Refresh, and hopefully now it will work. No, it doesn't. Okay. Okay, so it's not working because you have to take this out. We don't need this. Style display none. Save it. And now if you change this a little bit more in here. Here, instead of this value, let's type here hello, and leave the line break there. So this will append data in the I. Okay, so let's run this and see if it works. So if I click, perfect. Okay, it works perfectly. This is not a very useful application because we will miss every time we click. We'll miss the click button. Okay, but okay, you get the point of this. Okay, and this is how you can use or append data, strings or divs or whatever you want in your web page. Okay, using jQuery. So for this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you also, I almost forgot, the prepend. Okay, so instead of this, we just type prepend, okay, which is basically the same thing. So let's type here prepend here. Okay, so let's run this. See what it does. Well, it pretty much does the same thing. Okay, the effect is the same, but what it does is instead of as the word said, it prepends. So instead of being the last one, okay, starting as the last one, it will start before the first one. Okay, it will prepend. Okay, so that's it. That's how we can use append and prepend. You can also use the after. Let's try this one here. Refresh. Okay, you don't get the results. Okay, because we only have one div there. But you can try on your own this after, and if you want to try some other, or search for some other functions, you can go to jQuery official page. Okay, you have there a lot of documentation where you can search a lot of functions out there to try it. Okay, so see you guys in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.